Hawthorn East, the original Italianate Victorian façade of Marathon House stands as a testament to history, yet behind its decorative archways lies a radical transformation. Tasked with evolving a compact, insular dwelling into a sanctuary for a growing family, Neil architecture adopted a rigorous, pragmatic approach. The result is a double-story rear addition that deftly balances the need for communal connection with the necessity of private retreat. By rationalizing the floor plan into an L shape that wraps around a sun-drenched northern courtyard, director David Neil successfully dissolved the boundaries between the heritage structure and the contemporary demands of modern life. The transition from the old world to the new is articulated through a poetic reuse of materials and geometry. Repurposed bricks from the demolition form the sturdy backbone of the extension, while a copper-clad upper level, housing the children's quarters, introduces a weathered patina that will mellow gracefully over time. Inside, the architecture pays homage to the home's origins through broad, sweeping archways. These curves serve as a recurring motif, acting as a visual bridge that links the ornate Victorian frontage to the sleek, elemental geometries of the contemporary addition, ensuring the new structure feels like a natural evolution rather than a jarring departure. At the heart of the home, the living spaces pulse with a tactile, lived-in energy, anchored by the preservation of the original Baltic pine floors. Neil architecture collaborated closely with Artidomus to curate a palette that is both refined and robust. In the kitchen, the striking Vigo Lena stone island, elevated on steel legs to resemble a fine furniture piece, commands attention with its dramatic white veining and peach inflections. This central hub flows effortlessly into a dining area framed by fine steel glazing, where views of the pool and garden become an integral part of the daily mealtime ritual. The interior narrative continues to unfold through a series of sensory-rich transitions, where light and texture define the mood. A linear skylight channel marks the threshold to the study, flooding the center of the home with natural radiance, while tactile brick-format tiles stretch from the communal zones to the outdoor undercroft. In the more intimate corners of the house, such as the powder room and in soot, the design turns toward monochromatic drama and calm. The use of moody Grigio Carnico marble and the contemporary clawfoot silhouette of the Agape Ottocento bath creates a sophisticated dialogue between high-end materiality and domestic comfort. Ultimately, Marathon House is a study in spatial flexibility and material legacy. By consciously separating the children's multi-use upper level from the serene master suite below, the design affords every family member a sense of autonomy. From the play of light against the INAX ceramic tiles to the grand archway bordering the enclosed garden, the home feels anchored in its suburban context yet entirely transformative for its inhabitants. It is a residence that doesn't just accommodate the rituals of daily life but elevates them, honoring the past while embracing a light-filled, spirited future.